Yeah, this is the school I went to growing up as childhood. That's my old house. We're not able to go in there. We're here for a quick stop to get some fresh organic juice. Fresh made right now. Alright guys, this is like a sour orange, you could say. I don't know what it's called in English, but we're about to taste test this right now. Let's see. Wow. Now that is what I'm talking about. Incredible. Why don't you try some food? Why don't you try it? Wow, gotta do that shit. This is probably one of the best chapli kebab I've ever tried. Seriously, guys, if you come to the shower, you must try chapli. This is the most moistest, crispiest at the same time, and it has an egg inside of it, and all the flavor in the world. And honestly, I could eat like 5 of these at once. But highly recommend if you're in the shower, you must try chapli from Jamil's restaurant. All right, guys. So now that we've tasted the kebab, actually we're gonna do 2 more things today, right? We're gonna go visit my old school right now, where I actually Kurtaba school. It used to be called Country Grammar. We kind of want to show you where I went to school in Peshawar, Hayatabad, and then show you the street where I lived actually. So kind of show you my neighborhood. And after that, I need a little bit of fresh fade, man. This thing is getting crazy. So that's in for next. Let's go right now to our school, my old school, and show you where I went to my elementary schooling and everything in Peshawar, Pakistan, and then to the street where I lived on. You know? It's a donkey there. Yeah, this is the school I went to growing up as childhood till 6th and 7th grade. I went to here, of course, it's completely different now, but they won't allow us to go inside. However, yeah, you can kind of get a feel of it, how it looks from outside. Okay, we're gonna try to go inside, maybe see if we can get a permission and see a little bit of it inside. It has changed a lot, but I have a lot of fond memories here. All right, guys, we tried. We wanted them to let us in, but they were not able to. They won't allow us, but that's fine, no problem. But yeah, guys, this is it. This used to be a country grammar school. It was a high school. Kids in high school, now it's a college actually. Changed a lot. I used to walk from here home, but I used to walk from here home, and I'll show you guys now where I lived. So let's go there. Yes, 154. Alright, let's show you guys. This is my old house, of course. It's occupied now. And we see a little thing, but so as you guys can see, this is it, guys. I know that's my old house. We're not able to go in there. Well, but this entire area is only for government officials, military and police people. So I lived here in this house till I was 12 years old actually, and yeah, visiting it after so long feels amazing. But I wish I could see it inside, but that's all I can show you guys. Look at it. Getting a little glimpse of a neighbor's house, but it kind of looks like this, guys. It's so nice to see this. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you guys my school from inside, and even my old house, of course, because it's occupied now. But a lot of fond memories here. Still a very nice neighborhood, actually. But yeah, this brings back a lot of memories. We were young and used to run around here. It's way different now, more developed. It wasn't like this back then. But as you can see, it still holds true meaning to me, because this is your neighborhood. You know, I used to walk down this street, play on this street, and even walk to the school, which is about 5 minutes or less. You got to see my school. You got to see which street I grew up in. That was a supermarket right here. It's just something I wanted to share, a little bit personal side of mine, my childhood. But I think I need a little bit fresh fade right now, so we're gonna get a haircut and yeah, look a little bit sharp because I have about 2 days left right now before I head out to Dubai and then back to US, guys. So let's go get a haircut and clean up a little bit.
No, whichever you want. I'm getting ready. I'll bet you.
And can I see his massage picture? Come let's go in
अच्छा लगा
बोलो ये वाली Guys, I think this was the best, not only haircut, but the massage the guy gave me. I cannot believe it, guys. I've spent $500 on a haircut even one time, and this beats it on every level. Wow, I am beyond impressed, man. Wow, what? You probably saw the video. You're gonna see the massage the guy gave. Just incredible, guys. Wow, I'm so impressed. Loved it. Loved every minute of it, and the whole shape up, everything. Just brilliant. What an experience. That was an experience on its own. So worth it. One thing, guys, I wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of my life. I know when I come to Pakistan, you know, it reminds me of home. Well, it is home actually, but just to show you guys, I come from a humble beginning. Nothing fancy right here, as you see from the videos and everything. And it doesn't take too much to be happy, whether you live in the United States or you live in other part of the world, guys. It's about the memories and things that you do and the people you share with. So just remember, wherever you are in the world, don't let your background stop you from succeeding. You see me in Lamborghinis, in Ferraris, in Mercedes, and all of those things. Those are all nice and fancy in America. But I come from a very humble beginning. I come from a background, middle class. Yeah, I'm not gonna pretend like, you know, we were struggling, but still, this is my roots. This is where I come from. So use it as an inspiration. The reason I'm recording all of this is to show you guys, especially for people from the region of Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Pashtuns, Punjabi, Afghans, you know, all those people. I want to inspire them that, guys, you can make it happen no matter what your background is, no matter what your upbringing is, right? If I can do it, you can do it. And I want to share that with you guys because, yes, I get a lot of people tell me, oh, you travel, you do this, you do that, you must be privileged and this and that. No, I made it all happen. And coming back here is just a glimpse of me showing you guys what the reality is. And no matter where you come from, you can make it happen, guys. This is something from my heart I want to share because I truly believe that people can succeed and become anything no matter where they come from. As long as they put the hard work and their spirit into something, anything is possible. Whether you like fancy things, right? Fancy things you see today, driving Lamborghinis, G-Wagons and things like that. That's great though, but there's a lot of struggle behind it. And if I can make it, why can't you? I'm a Pashtun from Hayatabad, Peshawar, you know? You see, my culture is very conservative, super conservative. Nothing like what you see in Lahore, Islamabad, very moderate. But if I made it happen in the United States or anywhere, we can make it happen too. So take a lesson. It's a lesson seeker, guys. Make sure you learn from this. Anything is possible. It is officially time to sign off from Pakistan, Peshawar. It's 6 in the morning, Fajr time, and I'm about to head out to the airport. Next up, we're gonna go to Dubai for a few days, but my trip has officially ended in Pakistan, and it's bittersweet. It was very memorable. Got to see family after years, made a lot of new memories, but at the same time, got a lot of work done too while I was here. So always these are the sad moments when you have to leave, say goodbye to everyone, but But that's part of the journey, right? Next stop is gonna be Dubai, guys. I will see you in Dubai. And guys, from this trip, let me know what was your favorite part and something you want to share. Just let me know in the comments, guys. See you in Dubai now. My goodness, guys, this is a fucking beast. Holy shit. 900 horsepower. Sorry for my language because I'm excited. Wow, guys.